In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ChatGPT ad campaign. To get started, open ChatGPT in your browser. This is where you'll build the foundation for your ad campaign by giving the AI a clear prompt and using its response to shape your ideas. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the main chat screen. Once you're there, make sure you're on a new chat. Starting with a fresh conversation is helpful because it keeps your campaign planning focused and avoids mixing this task with older prompts or unrelated responses. A clean chat also makes it easier to review your campaign instructions from the beginning. Next, move your cursor over to the prompt box. This is the space where you'll tell ChatGPT exactly what you want help with. The better your prompt is, the better the output will be, so it's worth taking a moment to be specific and intentional here. Now type in your prompt. This is where you describe the kind of campaign you want ChatGPT to help you create. Keep your wording simple, direct, and goal-oriented. You want to give enough detail so the response is useful, but not so much that the prompt becomes confusing. For example, you can type something like this: act as a creative advertising strategist. I am launching a brand awareness campaign using ChatGPT ads for my brand. We offer a specific product or service. I want to introduce our brand to a specific target audience. This format works well because it tells ChatGPT what role to take, what your goal is, what your business does, and who you want to reach. When you use placeholders like your brand, offer, and audience, just replace them with your own information before sending. After your prompt is ready, click the send button to submit it. At this point, ChatGPT will begin generating a response based on the information you provided. You'll usually see ChatGPT answer almost immediately. The response may include campaign ideas, messaging direction, positioning, or audience-focused suggestions depending on how you wrote your prompt. As it generates, let it continue without interrupting so you can get the full output. Wait until the answer is completely finished. This is important because the most useful details often appear near the end of the response, especially if ChatGPT is outlining strategy or offering multiple recommendations. If needed, you can then send a follow-up prompt. This is a great way to refine the campaign, ask for different angles, improve the wording, or request more specific ad ideas for your audience. Follow-up prompts help you turn a general concept into something much more polished and practical. And that's how to set up a ChatGPT ad campaign using a simple prompt-based workflow.